Hello, everybody. I am Jay Prakash here, Director of Kandhi Precision Private Limited. Along my side, Mr. Krishnamurthy, my colleague. So we have set up this industry in 1990 with the two machines. We started doing small jobs, accurate jobs. Then we have started adding a lot of CNC machines. Now we have about 14 to 15 of CNC machines with various strokes and 4-axis machines. We've been catering to most of the defense sectors and the private sectors. We are the specialists in manufacturing dies and molds and accurate defense components. We started buying STM VN800 machines in 2019, our first machine. Then we started adding every year 2 more machines, like in 2020 and 2021. We've been doing very intricate parts on these machines, and the accuracy achieved is quite good to the expectations of our customers. And their service is also very good. We have not had much of any problems from their machines, and due to space requirements, we have not added many more machines from them. As we are building new buildings, we will be adding more machines from their company. We are achieving accuracy to the tune of plus minus 15 microns. And in that particular part which is shot in this video, it requires a slot width of 27 plus 005 plus 075 within 25 microns. That we are able to achieve, and the customer is extremely happy about the finish and the accuracy we have achieved on this machine. I'd like to say something about these STM machines. It's been performing extremely well. And as on when we grow, we would like to add more machines, and in fact we are looking for a very big machines from them of 3.2 meters machine. And as and when we grow, we would like to have the support of STM for our adding machines to our shop. And we are thankful to their quality and the kind of support we get for the service and everything. We would like to thank STM for their support and their service in the crisis time also. Thank you very much.